They connect with the crippled sieve cells via tiny channels and start maintaining them, sending over energy, instructions, or repairing them if needed. Running along the entire tree, these two teams form a tiny and very thin layer of living sugar pipelines and signal cables that stretch throughout the entire body, providing food and information wherever it's needed in the tree. The third team are parenchyma cells, the silent workers of the tree that are carrying out essential labor in the background. Some are like mini pantries that store nutrients, sugars, or water that the tree uses to survive the winter when it's unable to produce food. Others are like mini healers that can repair damage, while some go on the offensive and create toxins and antifungal bioweapons to kill intruders. On top of the phloem sits another layer of stem cells. They're producing a second conveyor belt of death moving outside. Special cells grow from this layer, and as they mature, just like the xylem cells in the center, they kill themselves for the team, turning into a hard guard wall, the bark. Just like your skin, it protects the tiny living layer from damage, parasites, and invaders. So, what is a tree? The living part of the stem is really just this extremely thin and tiny layer, a few millimeters thick, sitting on a thick mountain of cell corpuses, surrounded by another layer of cell corpuses. The vast majority of the biomass of a tree is dead. This is also why you really shouldn't damage the bark of trees, because while it seems you're only doing a little damage, you're actually killing the living part of the tree. But unless a tree is stopped by droughts, diseases, storms, or a human axe, this system of being mostly dead kind of makes trees potentially immortal. They don't age like we do. In principle, they could grow this way nearly forever. Which is why we still have trees around that were born when the Egyptians started building their first pyramid 5,000 years ago. Really, what kills a tree is the world around it. Trees are not a real biological category, but one of the most successful ideas life has ever had, and many different species developed on their own. These plants won the battle for the sky, solved every challenge that had kept plants small and fragile, and they took over the planet in a few million years. Even today, 3 trillion of them cast their majestic shadows. But we've barely covered half of it. On top and below, there are the crown and the root system, one building the tree from air, another mining minerals with acid, and involved in complex communications with fungi and other trees. There's so much more to talk about, so we're already working on the next part. Stay tuned. Trees are truly incredible, but many of our most beautiful forests are disappearing fast, and we're running out of time to protect what's left. That's why we've partnered up with Planet Wild.